Alright, welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. As you can see, it's full time here at Kotoko 0, Great Olympic 0. The game was quite interesting because I think it's a tactical game because Mariano Barreto knows that we have only two attackers. Yes, we line up with two attackers with 7 natural defenders. Asma, Habib Mohammed, and the back 4, and who again? I think 6 natural defenders in this particular squad. We had only 2 attackers, so if you are expecting Kotoko to play an attacking game in this particular fixture, you know that you are not serious, because there's no way they can play attacking football with only 2 attackers. It is clear that they missed the presence of Fabio Gama, Augustine Akra, and other attacking players. That was why when they brought Godfrey Siema in the second half, the whole dynamic, when they brought Godfrey Siema and Vinicius, the whole dynamic of the game changed. That is why we made more attacking runs and created more chances when Godfrey Siema and Michael Vinicius were introduced. I think it was a very good game. I was hoping we'll get the 3 points because in this kind of game you have to make use of set pieces, the corner, the free kick. You just have to make, because it's going to be tight. You know, it's a very crucial game. It's going to be tight. You just have to make good use of the set pieces, and Kotoko couldn't do that today. But overall, we are going to go home with the points. But I'm very pleased that the players are adapting to the style of Mariano Barreto, because he came with the plan to play cautious, look for mistakes and exploit them. But we just, unfortunately today, I couldn't beat a Great Olympics here at the stadium. Emmanuel Sakode came back, and funny enough, he played very well. He played well. Surprisingly enough, he played very well. He was tasked with the man marking of Glass and Awako, and he did that fairly well. I think Awako got past him only once in the first half. In the second half, he just went through the game and he was sub. After he was sub, Habib Mohammed was tasked to hold in Glass and Awako, and he did a very superb job, and I was very pleased with the midfield today. Mudasiru is very good. I think he's back. He's now fit. He's playing like the Mudasiru we all know. Habib Mohammed is embracing his new defensive midfield role. Latif Anabila came in and he's improving. All the players are improving. It's surprising. The only player that I feel that needs much more improvement is Emmanuel Jimfi, as always, because he had some positions. He was in some positions to make some important runs and give some good passes, but he couldn't do that. I think he still has time to improve and help Kotoko beat all the other teams and win the Ghana Premier League this season. But overall, it was a very pretty decent performance. I was pleased with the performance. The defense, Patrick Asma was good. His crosses were on point. I think we should try him at the wings because his crosses were very good today. I think he gave Michael Vinicius a very good cross, but he couldn't finish it. I think we had about only 2 or 1 shot on target compared to their 3 or 4 on target against Razak Abalora. They almost scored. Razak Abalora didn't see the shots. They almost scored, but overall it was a very good game. I'd like to know your thoughts. What do you think about the entire performance? For those of you that watched the game, put that in the comment section and tell me what you think. I think that's all for today. My name is Clinton. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.